Hey, beautiful. I was about to say New Year's Eve again. My God. Happy Christmas Eve. Happy Christmas Eve, beautiful. I'm delirious because I was up until 3 a.m. Don't even ask me what I was doing. Okay, I do know what I was doing. But welcome in, welcome in. It is Vlogmas Day 24, and I am so excited to spend Christmas Eve with you as I prepare to host my family for Christmas brunch and to exchange gifts of love with my children. So I'm so excited. So listen, I've been up and I've been straightening up because, girl, I had to flip my mattress. Baby, I need to sit down. I'm hot. I'm having a hot flash right now. Yup, it's happening. It's happening. But I do want to show you what I was able to get done last night, which is going to help me so much tomorrow when it's time for me to get ready for Christmas brunch. So let me show you. So I'm washing, so you may hear the wash machine in the background, but I've already put up our extra table because I need both of these to be able to put all of the food out tomorrow. So I have this table, and most likely this table is going to have the already prepared food, but I am planning on having a waffle bar. So I'm going to have to put the waffle maker over there because that's where the plug is. But I'm going to have like, toppings and that sort of thing. I don't have a lot of toppings, but I'm going to have it over there. So I put up this extra table so that I could be ready and I don't have to worry about this tomorrow. And then last night I threw up something on the door. Just a little something, not a lot, but I threw it up on the door. So I pulled out my heat press because I want to make something for my daughter and I want to try out something really quickly. Now, don't ask me why I try to do this now. So first things first, I got these room sprays and I want to take the price tag off. So I'm going to just put some water on it and just rub it off and it'll come right off. So I got these because who doesn't like a little smelly good for your room? But they were going to be stocking stuffers, but they're a little too heavy. So I'm going to have to put them in the bag. Okay, so now I have some crafts. Don't say nothing. That I want to make. So first thing I want to make is I'm going to change this label on this candle to something more personalized. So I'm gonna take this label off and I'm gonna attempt to put a new label on it. Now these labels are a little bit different because they have like the silver backing to it. So I just started peeling it off. So I'm gonna peel this label off. It's coming right off, see? Take your time, peel it off, and then I'm gonna create my own label to put on here. So let's see what I can do. Okay. They came out pretty good. So, let's see. Oh, just dropped it. Oh, I'm just throwing stuff. So excited. Oh, it's crooked. Hold on. Jesus. Let me get it on here. This is crooked. Okay. Oh. I put it on the wrong side. Thank God I made more than one. I put it on this side. Hold on. Yay. I think it's so cute. I think my daughter will love it. Just little gifts. Special mommy touches. Special mommy touches. So, hopefully she will enjoy it. One DIY down, 40 more to go. So the next thing I want to do is I want to make my daughter a like a little tote bag, like a little work bag for her. Same kind of author. Same kind of author situation, like a little quote to go on a bag. So let me see if I can. I didn't log that up. So I came up with one. I had one that I made, and I'm going to use my whoa. That was no fun. So I actually have two that I want to do for her. So I have one that I was going to put on this cute cup, and it says, and one day the girl with the books became the woman writing them. So I want to put that on this cup, and then on her bag I want to have it say, I'm a writer, anything you say or do may be used in my next story. So I have them already made in my Canva. So I'm going to start with the bag because that's the easiest one to start with, because the other one I'm going to be fighting for my life. I know, because if you've ever worked with vinyl, and that's all I'm going to say about that. So I'm going to, I'm going to do that, and then that'll be her last gifts. And then I wanted to work on something that I had an idea for myself. I'm going to show you that in just a second. Let me see if I can get this situation set up so I can even use my Cricut, because my office looks like, don't say nothing. All right, so I think I got it together for the water bottle. So I'm hoping me and Vinyl don't get along. So let's get this Cricut together, so I don't be, I mean, I know I'm gonna be fighting for my life, but okay. This is what it's looking like before I print it out. And it's supposed to look like this when I'm finished. I have a smaller water bottle, so y'all already know, once I take my hat off, that means it didn't go right. So I'm recutting it on iron on. We gonna see how it go. Pray for the girl. Well, this messed up a little. So I don't know how to save this. I'm missing letters. Ugh, don't you just hate when you got an idea and it doesn't come to fruition? I'm trying to do too much at one time. So I got a little bit of piece left, so let's see what we can do with this little piece. While we work on reprinting the bag, this is my next project I'm working on. Here's hoping I can get this to do. We shall see. Okay, project number 2 is working out. So let's see if I can zhuzh this up. Hold the line. So my thought is to add these roses for her hair. I know you can't really see it, but all right. I already took it out the first time, but I think it looks so good. I'm gonna, of course, zhuzh it up. I put it on the back of the sweatshirt, and I'm gonna zhuzh her up, but it's everything that I wanted and more. Ta-da! I think I got it. Oh, Jesus. We did it! All right, now I'm gonna press these on here because she's a cat mom and a dog mom. So, I think it looks cute. Hey, so listen. Oh, hold on. Maggie, hey, baby. Oh, she hot. I want a bonnet. Oh. All right, so listen. The baby is back home. My family is whole and complete, my little family. And somebody made some requests for some dinner. So I'm going to make some dinner, spend time with my family, my babies, and get ready for tomorrow. So thank you so much for joining us for Vlogmas Day 24. Happy New Year's. No, it's not New Year's. It's Christmas Eve. Happy Christmas Eve. And I will see you in the next one. Toodles.